Are you still spending hours fighting with PowerPoint formatting? Or maybe you are using Canva or another, graphic designing tool, but it just doesn't feel professional enough for high ticket clients. So today I'm going to show you a tool that might just be the middle ground we have been waiting for it. And it is called pitch.com. So what is Pitch? Actually, you can see pitch.com, the URL, and you can open in your browser. So this is a collaborative presentation platform built for modern teams, for professional people. Think of it, it's beautiful, it's stunning, it's fast, and it has some incredible features specifically for marketers that are absolute game changers. So you can see after opening the website, you can go to the sign up process. And in the sign up process, you can see login to Pitch. So you can continue with your email, or you can continue with Google, Apple, or single sign on SSO. So we will try with our email. So please paste or type your 6-digit code here. So I will pause the video for 1 second and we will resume it from here. So I just copied the code from my email and just pasted here. So you can see now they are saying we take your privacy seriously, and all these things. You need to agree to the terms of use and their privacy policy and data processing agreement. Then click on continue. So this is an incredible tool, as I told you. And what should we call you? So you can type your name here, Umair, but what will you use for pitch for, like work, personal, education, or other? So we can say like personal, and you can skip it if you want. They're saying skip, so you can skip. Want our top presentation tips and tricks, like no thanks, for example. Continue. So now you can see here you can see recent pitch here, and you can start new presentation from here. You can create new room here. You can import presentation from here, add PowerPoint files to pitch as well. So these all things, they are saying about the things that you can do from here. And if you are ever stuck, you can see their help center. So start new presentation. This is by me, by everyone, team, private. The left sidebar, you can see the dashboard options. So this is a dashboard actually. Once you sign up and log in, so you can click on start new presentation. You can start from blank. You can start with AI. You can also import file. So if we click on start with AI, so what presentation do you want to create? So you can type here, for example, a pitch deck for a digital marketing agency, and this is specializing in SEO for local businesses. And now we will click on start generating. Now this will be a pitch deck for a digital marketing agency that is specializing in SEO for local businesses. And you can see here, this is incredible. See, local SEO agency pitch deck, and you can see market analysis. Then they've created an SEO strategies, team expertise, and you can see the slide, the real results showcase, and services offerings, SEO services, marketing strategies, call to action. Then all these you can see slides here for your presentation. The prompt, just a simple prompt I typed. You can type more in details. The fonts you can select, colors you can select from here if you want, or if you want to start editing, so you can click on start editing. So we can see now all slides here. See, this is incredible. Within a few seconds, your everything is ready. See, marketing analysis, and then my team is here. And see, if I want to change it like this, I can change. See, the picture I want to replace, I can go to replace. and we can upload media here. For example, this one we can replace. See, incredible. So the content we can change according to our content, and we have now the presentation about the SEO. Actually, only we need to change the things like team expert is now here. We can change also, and everything is here. SEO strategies, for example, you want to change here, so you can change. Everything is in front of you, and just double click and change. So you can also play it from here, and you can also add a slide from here if you want more slides, like simple slides. You can see the grids, charts, and data if you want to add timelines and project lines. For example, this one, milestones. Now it has been added here because we were there on that slide. So milestones, like if related to my business or the project that we are doing work, so we can use this slide. We can click on play button, and you can see this has been played. So you can use arrows. See, so once you have edited everything, you can share it with copy link, and you can share with your like business employees and friends, wherever you want to share. So this will be shared. So this is an incredible platform for the presentation, AI presentation platform. This is. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and now you can design your own presentation without working on PowerPoint, Canva, or like different complicated software. And you can use pitch.com, that is AI presentation software, and it allows you, and as I told you, so you can see back to home. So you can also start a new presentation, like when you click here, as I told you, you can also start from blank. So here you can see, like these are the templates and layouts you can see. So what templates you select, for example, this one we select, for instance, anyone, we can select this one, for example. So see, this, it is here. Now in this we can change the name of this one, whatever, like my first presentation. So this is now manually you are doing. So you can add slides. For example, this catchy title, you can move it here also. So you can move the things, there are on the top, you can see more options, like you can add text, like title you want to add here. So for example, IT solutions. We can add media, we can add shapes, charts, tables, and embed record also we can do. So a lot of things we can do here when we are doing manually. So I explained about manually as well. I explained how you can start with AI prompt. So subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.